Hello, everyone. My name is Matt Kiananda, and I am a developer advocate here at Stack Overflow. Today, we're talking about something quite exciting, and that is a new feature launch for the Stack Overflow platform. Today, we're talking about saves, which is replacing the bookmark functionality, which has been on the site for many, many years. And today, we've got a product expert, Zach, to be able to share with us what it is and why we should care about it. Hello, Zach.
Thanks so much for having me. My name is Zach Retta. I am a product marketing manager here on our public platform and community team, and I'm here to discuss our new Saves feature.
So, Saves is replacing the bookmark functionality on Stack Overflow. Would you be able to tell us at a high level what Saves actually is?
Yeah, absolutely. So Saves is a new feature here at Stack Overflow to help make the knowledge that you care about and the knowledge that you engage with on both Stack Overflow and on all Stack Exchange sites more accessible and easier to find. And there are a few new tools that this Saves feature gives you to help you organize your content that you plan to revisit later. And so now you have a dedicated space within your profile page to save questions and answers. You can now organize your content into lists and even add private notes into the content that you saved.
The way that I view Saves is this is basically supercharging what was currently available on Bookmarks by wrapping a whole host of extra functionality to make sure that you can access information at a later date as well as organize it on the site as opposed to somewhere externally. Zach, would you be able to tell us how we actually go about using Saves in the first place?
Absolutely. So to get started with Saves first, when logged into your account, simply go to any question or any answer. And then from there, you'll see a Saves icon to the left of the question or to the left of the answer. And from there, you'll be able to simply select that icon. After you select the Saves icon, you'll see a little pop-up. So you can click into that pop-up to access all your saved materials. You can also access the saved material by clicking into your profile and clicking into the Saves tab. Once you're within your Saves tab, you'll be able to view all the content that you saved, whether that's a question or an answer. You'll be able to create lists and customize these lists how you see fit. And you'll even be able to add private notes to all the saved content that you've added.
I think that's the thing that I value most about some of the saves feature is, not only can you save the answer to the question, which does happen sometimes. You don't really want to know the question. You just actually want to know that specific piece of logic that will get you the answer that you need, but also able to split those into separate lists. For example, as a front-end developer, I want things that are to do with CSS or Webpack, JavaScript or TypeScript issues. So I can save all of those within a list and come back to those at a later date, which is very, very useful. Why these features specifically? Why did you choose to do this work here within Stack Overflow as opposed to relying on the bookmarking capabilities which have been around in browsers for many a year?
Yeah, so we really wanted to create a new tool to help make all knowledge more accessible and easier to use. Not just the questions, but really the content within the questions. More easy to use and more easy to access when you want to. And now with Saves, it's not just about saving the question itself and the URL that is being displayed. It's really about saving like multiple things within that same page. It's not just about bookmarking links. It's really about saving the content that you're interested in and being able to organize that content into lists and adding your own kind of perspective into the saved content. And actually, this is from feedback that we've heard from the community. And looking back on Meta, we've seen some of these requests from even like 13 years ago. So we're really excited to be able to show the community these features that we've heard about. And we're really excited because we really believe that it's going to help make you engage with the material that you care most about.
When I first heard about Saves, I and many of the Stack Overflow community had some questions around why the name change and how it was going to be any different from Bookmarks. So would you please be able to tell us and share the story as to why Saves came into existence?
Definitely. And so it's a really good question. And definitely you are not alone. We've seen this on Meta and we've seen this within the community. But since Saves provides so much more functionality and so much new ability than Bookmarks, we really want to make sure that the name of this feature was reflected in what we call this feature. And now with Saves, you can save multiple things from just the same page. Previously, again, you'd bookmark a page, but now you're actually saving content within the page. It's not just about bookmarking links, it's about saving questions, answers, and whatever content that you're interested in into lists. And unlike Bookmarks, again, previously with Bookmarks, you could only save a question. Now you can save questions, answers, multiple answers within a question itself. So again, this is really taking the Bookmarks tool and taking it to the next level. And once you have your saved content, within your profile itself, you can now create custom lists and add private notes that are only visible to you and not accessible to other users. And that is a big difference between bookmarks. With bookmarks, anyone could have seen your bookmarks. Your saves are truly just for you. It's the material that you save, that you care about, that you can access later. And because we're so excited about this tool and we understand how valuable this saved material is, now prominently displayed within your profile for yourself to access is all this saved content that you can access whenever you see fit.
The way that I see saves is it's essentially taking the intent of what Bookmarks was originally and wrapping a whole host of other functionality and features around it to make it a much more fully fledged system for saving and kind of curating all the knowledge that you experience on Stack Overflow. So the feature is currently available now at stackoverflow.com. So if you wanted to start saving things, putting things in lists, curating all of that stuff, you are more than welcome to go and try that today. So thank you very much, Stack, for coming along, and we will see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.
Thanks, Matt. Bye, everyone.